Good morning, students. Today we will go for the next poem, The Tale of Custer the Dragon, written by Frederick Auden Nash. Let us understand this poem through introduction. This is a comical poem written by Auden Nash. It is written in the form of a ballad. Belinda lives in a little white house with her four pets. They are Ink, little black kitten, Blink, a little grey mouse, Mustard, a little yellow dog, and Custard, a little pet dragon. Okay. First of all, let me tell you, this is a comical poem. It will be funny for you when you go through the characters, when you go through the story of the poem. Okay. So first of all, it is a comical poem written by Auden Nash. Second, it is written in a form of a ballad. Let me tell you, ballad is a literary device, means it is a poem which is a long poem and there is a story, long story in it. Usually, this kind of story is based on certain bravery and all that. So, it is also a ballad in which the character are there. I mean, Belinda is a human being and she lives in a little white house with her four pets. She lives in a little white house with her four pets. They are Ink, little black kitten, Blink, a little grey mouse, Mustard, a little yellow dog, and Custard, a little pet dragon. You can understand, students, the three animals are very common for you: dog, mouse, and cat, means kitten. But dragon is all unusual. You can see the picture of it in the introduction section also, that it is a mythological, you can say, a mystical animal or creature which is all considered in Chinese people consider it very auspicious for their religion, for their worship and all that. Okay, so it is very significant for them. But poet has used this character, mysterious character, very interestingly in this poem, and to make this poem very interesting for all of us. Okay, let us understand all about the poet. Auden Nash was born on 19th August 1902 in New York. He worked as a school teacher before becoming a copywriter. Nash's first poems were published in New Yorker in 1930. His first collection of poems entitled Hard Lines was published in 1931. So the description is all clear. He is an American poet, and in fact he was a teacher. Later on he became copywriter. His first poems were published in New Yorker, the collection of poems of a magazine. In 1930, his first collection of poems entitled Hard Lines was published in 1931. The Boy Who Laughed at Santa Claus in 1957 and Girls Are Silly in 1962 are among his famous books. Nash is famous for his nonsense poetry. You will realize why these poems are nonsense, particularly in this poem when you go for it. He died on 19th May 1971. Okay. Now for center idea, we will go for it in the next video.